Stop listening to the gurus who tell you that patience is key. Patience is boring. We want speed. If you're stuck at 300 views and putting in maximum effort for minimum return, something is broken. And today, we are going to fix it. I'm cutting the fluff. No long intros. These are 3 simple, slightly underground secrets to hack the YouTube growth curve. Let's get it. Secret number 1, the format lock. Everyone tells you to be consistent. Upload every Tuesday at 5 p.m. Wrong. The algorithm doesn't care what time it is. It cares what it is. Consistency isn't about your calendar. It's about your packaging. If you upload a high energy vlog on Monday, a quiet sit down tutorial on Wednesday, and a gaming stream on Friday, you are confusing the AI. YouTube doesn't know who to serve your content to. Until you hit your first 10,000 subscribers, you need to be boringly predictable with your format. Pick one style, one type of packaging, and hammer it until the algorithm knows exactly who your audience is. Lock the format down. Secret number 2, the curiosity gap title strategy. Look at your last 5 video titles. Be honest, are they boring statements of fact? If I can read your title and look at your thumbnail and already know the answer to the video, I'm scrolling past you. You need a curiosity gap, the space between what the viewer knows and what they want to know. Don't title a video "How to Edit Faster." Title it "The 5-minute editing hack that saved my channel." See the difference? One is a lesson, the other is a secret you have to know. Don't give away the punchline before they click the video. Make them click to close the gap. Secret number 3, the 10% rule. This one hurts feelings. Go look at your audience retention graphs. Find the moment where 50% of your viewers have clicked off. Usually, that's in the first 30 seconds to a minute. Here is the secret. Take the first 10% of your script, your intro, your "Hey guys, welcome back," your animated logo, and delete it. Start the video at the exact moment the actual value begins. Today's viewer has the attention span of a goldfish on caffeine. If you're not delivering the promise of the thumbnail within the first 8 seconds, they are gone. Start immediately. Here's the bonus instant. The real secret. Stop being afraid to post cringe. Your first 50 videos are going to be bad. That is the tax you have to pay to the YouTube to get good. Fearless creators grow faster because they fail faster. They get the data, they iterate, and they improve next week. Stop overthinking the upload button. Press it. Now, get to work.